Hi friends, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Bhai. If you like my video, do subscribe my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by BuyMote mobile app. This is a shopping app. Check my description box to know its installation link and other details. After installation, you can check the app for grocery items like shampoo, soap, oil item, pickle, masala powders, vegetables, makeup items, beautician accessories, kids accessories, and so on. You can check the available stock for each item. If you want, you can order the item by moving it to the cart.